Hey everyone, so in this video, I'm going to be going over the best HelloFresh meals. And so I've been a customer of HelloFresh for about 8 months or so. And so if you haven't signed up for HelloFresh just yet, you can use my link down below to get your first box for free. So to simply put, I'm just going to be going over my past deliveries and letting you know which ones I think have been really good and then which ones have been like mediocre that you can probably skip out on, and then which ones are probably not the best. But one pan black bean pepper quesadillas. This is probably my fourth time actually getting this recipe. It's a really easy recipe, and a really good thing about it also is that it is meat free. The creamy dreamy mushroom cavity tapi. This one was my first time trying it. That was also really good. Anything I'd say like pasta or related to beans has been surprisingly good. So these two have been surprisingly good. This one here has been good. If you show more. Again, you can see that I got the one pan black bean pepper quesadillas again. Nothing really sticks out as far as this week's meal, and there I have it again. Creamy garlic spinach ricotta ravioli was extremely good. Highly recommend that one. And if we click on show more, what else do we have? The vegan mushroom soy ramen wasn't the best, but the triple mushroom truffle penne, that's probably like one of my top 3 favorite dishes as well. Now, if we move on from here, again, anything black bean as far as part of the recipe goes has been extremely good. Also, the bowls. So this Mexican chicken rice and rice bowl wasn't the best, but the shawarma spice grilling cheese is best. This is my third time getting the shawarma spice grilling cheese. Pasta primavera was probably like the most plain pasta I've had. Sweet potato fajitas, I don't recommend that. One pot Italian vegetable soup, I don't really recommend that. So far, what I'm finding is that usually bowls, pasta, and like black bean recipes have been extremely good. Turkish spice chicken wraps wasn't the best, but it was quick to make, but it wasn't the best. I probably wouldn't recommend it. Ricotta, anything in ravioli has been really good on HelloFresh as well. Power bowls, Greek goddess burger bowls has been very good. The vegan maple carrot, this was the most surprising one because this one was completely vegan. And so the vegan maple carrot power bowls was extremely good. I would definitely recommend that. Now, as far as like a quick summary, usually their pastas are really good. Anything with black beans in it, as far as like being completely vegan goes, has been extremely good as well. Anything that's really quick to make, I'd say, where was it? There was like a chicken wrap. Like the vegan coconut curry tofu lettuce wraps. It wasn't the best. But as far as like what my favorite recipes goes, it's got to be the creamy garlic spinach ricotta ravioli, the one pan black bean pepper quesadillas, and any of their bowls have been also extremely good. Overall, within my past couple months, I wish I could show you more past deliveries. For some reason, it only shows up to March 2022. But my favorite recipes on HelloFresh, there's only been like 3 recipes that have been like okay. But nothing on HelloFresh has ever been like bad though, I must admit. But there's been recipes where I've been like, okay, it was It was still edible though, but at the same time, you can't go wrong with pastas. You can't go wrong with these one pan black bean pepper quesadillas. Anything with ravioli has been an absolute hit as well. And so I plan on continuing to be a long-term customer of HelloFresh. But if you guys have any questions though, let me know in the comments down below. I hope you found this video helpful. And once again, this right here, if you haven't signed up for HelloFresh just yet, you can use my link down below to actually get a free box with your first order. So thanks so much for watching everyone, and I'll see you all in the next video.